Dear friends, thank you very much, Honorable President, our mentor and guide, Dr. Partha Reddy Garu, Honorable member of Rajya Sabha also. In fact, the only Rajya Sabha member from the Pharma community. We always look at him for his guidance. Being the president of this prestigious the Congress, under the guidance of the national president of IPA, Dr. Narayan Garu, LOC chairman Dr. Ram Kishan, and secretary our own Giri Garu, and other members like Narayan Garu, Padlamodi Garu, etc. So the reason I am here, I am representing a Federation of Pharma Entrepreneurs. It's also a national body. Around 650 industries are there with us. I am chairman of AP and Telangana, and also the national board of organizing committee as a senior vice president on the national board. Today I am so happy. Let's be very positive on that. Ratna, I'll come to you, your question also a little bit. What is happening? It is not a congress, it is not a conference. It is a big festival of pharma and healthcare and life sciences. We are so happy it is happening under the guidance of our own Partha Reddy Garu. Because imagine, this is a culmination of 5 sectors. It's the industry, regulatory, hospitals, you have a community of pharmacy. There are 5 wings coming together. We talk about the academia and industry coordination. I think in this Mela, it is a big way it is happening. We always talk about it. And after 10 years it is happening. And none other than our chief minister and the host of plethora of ministers are also coming. We have some ministers from other states also may be coming in the second day and third day also. It's a big positive vibe for the Telangana pharma. That's what I wanted to emphasize on the first fact. And the second thing, we all know actually in US, when the drugs are prescribed to patients often get confused actually. 90% of their prescribed medicines are generics. Okay, and most of them are from India only. We talk about less efficacy, the spurious drugs, less quality drugs, etc. from our India, because few incidents always pop up and they get identified and they get the media attention. No wonder, because we always vie for 100% quality oriented. There is no 99.9% compliance, we all agree. But at the same time, why very high regulatory markets like USA, Europe and America, and they are all buying from us for their own. And do you know one more statistics I'll tell you? Our own medicines are reducing the burden of the healthcare on the US economy more than $300 billion, out of which 40% is from India only. And can I say one thing? Dr. Partha Reddy Garu never speak about himself, because he is one of the pioneers along with Dr. Anjan Reddy Garu together. We all look at them. You know, tens of lakhs of people, millions of people are dying for diseases like hepatitis. And we produce here, our own Hyderabad, our own Telangana, world's largest antiretroviral drugs. Do you know that? And HIV also. And none other than our own hetero and other companies are producing here. And we take pride. And being the chairman of International Trade and PAPSI, Federation of Trade, Telangana, I travel along post-COVID also, I travel a lot of countries, including USA and South American and Brazil and other, even African countries also. They're all looking at pride. I receive a lot of respect there, being an Indian. So what is happening? I do understand there are few flaws, and that is the reason our own the drug regulatory department, under the guidance of Dr. Rajiv Raghuvanshi and the national drug controller like Ramkishan and the entire team, they are working on it, upgrading the skills of the, upgrading the facilities, etc. Even for that also, government is hand-holding them. I think that is happening separately. Let's not really bother about it. Unless our drugs are efficacious, why people should buy? 215 countries are still buying. Our exports are growing. In fact, it is 26 billion. It is increased already. This is the only area, 11.5% double-digit growth, where world pharma is going in either negative or 1 to 1.5% growth. So our drugs are being valued at a very high. Cocktail drugs like HIV and all, you know, millions of people lives were saved during 90s. When the innovative drug was costing more than $15,000 US, the Cipla sold around 350 with the help of UNESCO. So our own Indian companies. And here the vaccines, I don't need to elaborate that. We developed, everybody was looking at it. India, I think half of the Indian population will wipe away during COVID because they are not prepared. But we proved the world wrong with our own preparedness. There was never not even a single company which was making a face mask during that time. And then we became the world supplier of face masks after China during this. So India is already no dearth of knowledge and the initiation, and we all proved it. Be it vaccines, the first line of defense medicines, be it azithromycin or the first line of medicines, which when the COVID coronavirus is in the first phase, we are protecting the people's lives with a lot of remdesivir and all. We are world producer. We produced the world. Everybody was looking at us. We supplied to, as Sir said, more than 150 countries. Yes. So wherever I went, because after COVID I went to at least 30 countries. Wherever I went, we received a very good reception there. And our drug control department now is in association with Intel. They already have MOUs with Dutch, Netherlands, USA. Dr. Robert Collip, US FDA chief. He is the in charge of allowing the drugs to their country, most highly regulated country. We are in regular touch. In fact, he is in touch with me on my WhatsApp also. He is in touch with everybody in industry. So things are moving very positive. Let us concentrate on that. Culmination of 5 wings: healthcare, regulatory, industry, academia, pharmacy. Everybody is coming together. It is such a big event. I think we first focus on the positivity of it. And as Sir said, Telangana government is very positive to take the pharma and healthcare industry forward. Soon we'll have a lot of medical tourism. Everything is happening. It's going to be a big boost for the industry also. Let's carry it forward and spread this word of positivity. I humbly request all the media people, next 3 days, make best use of it. And as he said, it's the best use for the employment generation and also a platform for big innovation, showcasing and unveiling new innovations also, because the healthcare is completely changing. It is going to be a preempting. It's not just cure alone. It is preempting. So before the disease comes, we already envisage what disease is going to come, and we are going to give the medicines. After diagnosing, cell therapy, gene therapy, everything is on the anvil. And Hyderabad stands first with the visionaries like Pasareddy and all other CEOs. Tomorrow we have a CEO roundtable also. They gave me the opportunity to conduct a roundtable to get the insights from them, to lay the way forward for the industry also. I think with this positivity, I want you all to take it forward in a big way.